Now, meters, kilometers, and centimeters and millimeters is exactly the same thing, okay? All right. So when I'm converting, so this is going to be conversions of lengths. All right. So if I am taking a jog, okay, around the corner of my house, and then I turn right, and then I go around the block, and I go all the way back again. Let's say I've traveled a total of 2 kilometers. Okay. The 2 kilometers, for every 1 kilometer, it's the same as 1,000 meters. You can think of it as 1,000 steps, 1,000 big steps. If I take 1,000 big steps and another 1,000 big steps, I'll be back to my starting point. So 1,000 kilometers, again, kilo in 1,000 is there, is 1,000. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. Now, if you have 1 meter, it's going to be 1,000 millimeters. Okay. So we get 1,000 millimeters. And remember what a millimeter is. If I have a ruler, for example, right? If I've got a ruler like this, and I know that a millimeter would start from 0, and you'd have, so you'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, for example, and it will just keep going in that fashion. And this would be 0, and this would be 1, and this would be 2, and this would be 3. But on the other side of the ruler, having the same thing, it would have 0, but it would have 10, it would have 20, it would have 30. And that's when you're dealing with millimeters. So this would be millimeters. And you can see that that over there in a ruler is 10 millimeters, right? So if I want to go from millimeters to meters, I need 1,000 of these dots to get to 1 meter. And I need 1,000 meters to get to 1 kilometer. So if we have to draw the meters, kilometers, and millimeters in one diagram, then to go from meters to kilometers, we have to divide or multiply. Millimeters to meters, we have to divide or multiply as well. And so let's say I start with, we said it at 2 kilometers, right? So we said 2 kilometers is the same as 2,000 meters. So that means when we went left here, we multiplied by 1,000. So if I go again, I'd have to multiply by 1,000 again. Add 3 more zeros, basically. So that's 2 million millimeters for this one. But if I go backwards, all I have to do is divide by 1,000 and divide by 1,000 as well from there. And so if I do 2 simple or 3 simple examples, let's suppose I have 2 kilometers and I want to convert it into however many meters. And if I've got 2,500 meters, I want to convert it into kilometers. And let's say I've got 3,000 millimeters, I want to convert it into meters. And maybe 2 meters is equal to how many millimeters? And then don't forget, we also have centimeters. And centimeters I can put somewhere in between here and here. So instead of jumping 1,000, if I add centimeters in here, I know that to go to centimeters, I divide by 100, and then I divide it again by 10. So 2 kilometers to meters times 1,000, so 2,000. Meters to kilometers, divide by 1,000, so 2.5 kilometers. 3,000 millimeters to meters is going to be divided by 1,000, so 1, 2, 3. It comes to 3 meters. And then 2 meters into millimeters times 1,000, so 2,000 millimeters. Yeah. All right, and that's conversion lengths.